The original Atlas Draw widget does not allow users to save drawings. With these new widgets, Atlas users can now create and save multiple drawings, and export these drawings to other systems like Atlas Disconnected and Google Earth. The first thing you need to do to view drawings is to enable these layers in the layer list. If you plan to view drawings regularly, you can create a bookmark that saves your layer visibility settings, so the next time you launch Atlas, you can simply click the bookmark to turn the drawing layers on. Because there's a potential of thousands of user drawings, it's important to understand the Drawing Filter widget. The Drawing Filter widget allows users to filter by drawing name or by user ID. In this example, I see some bright red lines created by a different user. I can hide these lines by filtering for my SID. Until I disable this filter, I will only see my drawings. Another way to filter drawings is by drawing name. If I filter for Test 1, my Test 2 and Test 3 drawings disappear. You can also filter for multiple drawings. In this case, I will add Test 3 to the list. Now, only Test 2 is hidden. The drawing filter also allows you to save and then load your selection sets. There are two widgets available to create drawings. Some features overlap. Both widgets allow you to list features by type or search for a feature by name. To add a point feature with the Edit widget, click a symbol in the list and then click on the map. The point will stay selected until you click outside on the map or when you click the Clear Selection button. Adding point features with the Smart Editor is similar. Click a symbol in the list and then click on the map. You can drop multiple points without having to select the symbol each time in the list. To stop adding points, close the pop-up. If you don't want to automatically add multiple points, turn the Saves New feature automatically off. In this mode, you can add information immediately after adding a feature. To edit an existing feature, make sure a feature isn't selected in the list and then use the New Selection option. Another way to edit a feature, when there is no editor widget open, is to click an object, click the three dots, and choose the editor you'd like to use. To draw a line with the Smart Editor, click a line in the template, then click somewhere on the map and continue clicking until you're done with the line. When you're done, double-click the last point. To deselect a line or polygon when using the Smart Editor, deselect the feature in the list and then pan your map slightly. If you hold the Control key down while clicking, the points will snap to other points on the map. You can draw polygons manually or choose from some shape presets. Any point, line, or polygon can be changed by selecting it and then changing the type. Shapes can also be edited. With the Edit widget, you can merge polygons by selecting them and clicking the Merge button. You can also cut polygons by using the Cut tool. To delete objects on the map, use the Selection tool. You can add or subtract from your selection by using the Selection tool drop-down. Click the Delete button when you're ready. The View Attributes widget allows you to see the drawing records. The Drawing Info widget will have a list of popular drawings. The Select widget allows you to select any objects on the map and export them to file formats that can be imported into other applications like Atlas Disconnected or Google Earth. To learn how to export existing electric office objects, like poles or equipment, see these two videos. Exporting newly created drawing points is a slightly different process. First, I will select an area that includes my drawing points. Notice how I am given a list of objects that can be exported. Switch. Pole. Primary conductor. I will export the points layer as a GeoJSON file. The files are saved in your Downloads folder. Now I can import the drawing points into Google Earth simply by dragging and dropping the file. To import these points into Atlas Disconnected, you will need to get the XY coordinates. Process the GeoJSON using the YouTube instructions found in the Exporting Atlas Web App Queries to Google Earth video. The resulting CSV file should look like this. Make sure your column headers are the same as shown here. Use the Atlas Disconnected Import Data tool to plot the points on the map. Thank you. For more information, send an email to atlas@aep.com.